Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate any video on YouTube into your own language for easier viewing. This can be especially helpful if you're searching for a topic which doesn't have a lot of videos, and the only video that actually looks helpful is in a completely different language than you understand. In the following, I'm going to show you a couple different examples of how this will work. So, without further ado, let's head on over to our browser. I already have YouTube loaded onto the screen, and I'm already on a video that I want to translate. For the purpose of demonstration, let's pretend that my native language is Hindi and I don't understand English. The first thing you want to do is head over to the play bar, and at the bottom, you want to make sure you have closed captioning on. So turn that on. Okay, now you can tell that closed caption is active because of the red line underneath the CC box. After you've turned on closed captioning, you want to go to the cog wheel and left click on it. This is the settings. And you want to go to subtitles, and you want to hit auto translate. And then you can choose from a list of languages. There are a ton of languages here. Alright, and I'm going to look for Hindi. I already have it selected, but let's just say I didn't have it selected. I'm going to select it now. Now we can play our video. Alright, I'm going to pause the video. So as you can see, the subtitles are now in Hindi, and this will work with any video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to comment below, rate this video, and subscribe for more content.